So after installing your WordPress on your domain name, what is much more necessary and natural for you to do is to come to a link and go to the admin dashboard of your WordPress. So of course, as normal, studentonlineincome.tk/wp admin. So you enter your blog's name and add WP admin to it. Enter your username and password. Here you are on your dashboard. So of course, the development page, this way you can add posts, medias and pages. And so right away, we go to appearance. So you add new theme. Right. I will just search for blog. I can see a beautiful blog. I think I like this. Yes. Let me look if I can see something better. Based on preference. Well, you can just look around and look for what interests you. I just like this. It looks simple to me. Let's look around. This too isn't bad. I guess I prefer this. This level. Right. I'll go with this. I'll go with this. Activate. And I've just installed and activated my blog theme as the case is. So go ahead and install and activate your own theme, and let's continue from there in our next class.